So let me discuss the chapter poverty as the challenge of the economics class 9th. So we get the first define poverty. According to me, poverty का मीनिंग क्या होता है? गरीबी. So we can explain this in the English. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get the minimum basic necessity. Means कि जो ऐसा people जो किस सिचुएशन में आ जाता है, कौन सी सिचुएशन में आ जाता है कि जिस पे फूड नहीं होता, क्लॉथ नहीं होता, शेल्टर नहीं होता रहने के लिए, अपने डू नॉट प्रोवाइड एजुकेशन फैसिलिटी, cannot maintain their cannot maintain their health, their proper health, nourishment are some of the examples of the poverty. In the own words, poverty means गरीबी, जिसमें कि जो poor people होता है cannot provide the food, clothes, shelter, nourishment, basic needs of the people, a proper education, sanitization facility. Yes, sanitization facility also cannot provide. Okay, do you know explain what is poverty? Next question, what is the mass poverty? So according to me, mass poverty is a situation in which a large section of people in an economy are deprived of a basic necessity. मास पॉवर्टी वो होती है कि जिसमें बहुत सारे बंदे इस सिचुएशन में होते हैं जिसमें कि इकोनॉमिक मीन्स रुपीज़ पैसा आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ द बेसिक नेसेसिटी, कि ऐसी सिचुएशन जिसमें कि हर चीज़ इकोनॉमिक से रिलेटेड होएगी. इफ़ वी हैव टू बाय एनीथिंग, वी हैव इफ़ वी वांट टू बाय एनीथिंग, हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? पैसा होना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द मेजर डिसीजंस ऑफ द पॉवर्टी? 1 मिनट्स. यस, क्या होते हैं पॉवर्टी के? यस, सेम आ जाएगा. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन द व्हाट इज पॉवर्टी. इन दैट केस एक्सप्लेन पॉवर्टी. Firstly, write this by first point. Okay. Second points, इसमें एजुकेशन वाला लिखना, इसमें सेकंड पॉइंट्स में लिखना एजुकेशन, सैनिटाइजेशन फैसिलिटी थर्ड पॉइंट लिखना, और फोर्थ पॉइंट ये लिखना. ठीक है, और फिफ्थ पॉइंट ये लिखना, मीन्स हंगर एंड लैक ऑफ शेल्टर. ओके, यू हैव द 5 points. I will explain all this in the poverty. What is poverty? So you have to write the dimensions of the poverty. I will explain you again. Poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. It is in this situation the parents are not able to send their children to the school and cannot afford their proper treatment. Okay, third point, they cannot provide the sanitization facility and cannot drink the clean water. There is also the lack of the regular jobs एट द डिसेंट लेवल. अब इसको एनालाइज करने स्टेटमेंट को. एनालाइज दिस स्टेटमेंट. पॉवर्टी इज़ अ क्योर अपॉन ह्यूमैनिटी. पॉवर्टी एक कोर्स है. क्यों? बिकॉज जो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लिव विथ अ सेंस ऑफ हेल्पनेस. जो आधे से ज़्यादा पीपल है वो हेल्पनेस हो गए हैं. cannot provide education, cannot provide sanitization facility, cannot provide their basic necessity needs, cannot provide the proper health education, proper health, and cannot provide anything related to the poverty. Firstly explain the what is the poverty. After that, the parents are not able to send their children to the school, and so on. You can write that if we cannot know anything about that. Just write 2 or 3 points. The teacher gave you 1.5 marks. Okay, because it covers 2 or 3 points. You whenever it come in 2 marks, you have to write 2 points. It can be covered in 2 points. 3 marks come in 3 points. Should cover. Why, yes, should cover. If this question come in 4 marks, write 3 points और उसके बाद ऐसे लिख कर दो पवर्टी मेक द फ्लो चार्ट. ओके, लाइक पॉवर्टी क्या होता है, पॉवर्टी की डेफिनेशन यहाँ लिख दो ना. उसके बाद यहाँ पे कि कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड देयर बेसिक नेसेसिटी, और यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स बना देना. ओके, दिस इफ इट क्वेश्चन कम इन 5 marks, मेक फ्लो चार्ट same as question number 4, same as question number 4, and give headings, okay. Next question, what is poverty line? This is the very important. Okay, there is a poverty line. The poverty line is used to measure the absolute poverty, कि कितनी गरीबी है हमारे देश में. poverty line इसको मेजर करती है. जो BPL इसकी फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है, बिलो poverty line. It is a line which demarcates the people who are living below the poverty line from those who are living above the poverty line. Means that ki the government said that and can measure that ki how many calories the people want of the village or the urban areas. Okay, that is known as the poverty line. Enough. There are the two more important questions. How many Niagara provide employment? 100. Okay, mostly exams this question come. Who is considered as poor? Yes. Businessman? No. A rich farmer? No, because it has a lot of money, because it is rich. Landlord? No, because he gives the money. There is a landless labor who can work on the other land, who cannot have their own land. Okay, so this is your solution. Thank you.